one day people are gonna watch some of my videos and they're gonna be like, man, this guy, he gets some levels right. All right. So I don't know if anybody was watching yesterday, but Trump made some comments and we had a very nice quick drop. It looked like there was some panic there. There was a huge move down. We tested this monthly pivot area. We tested this lower distribution below the 50 moving average, and then we got a nice buying tail. We filled that gap, right? Nice buying tail, and then we couldn't get back to retest those lows. We came back all the way to the scene of the crime, and now we're looking to retest that overnight high. That originally, when the market opened, it looked like it was holding, right? Because we had the half session yesterday, and we had a nice move above the previous week's high and above this high right here. So we had it looked like it was holding until those comments. Then we had the drop, and then we slowly grinding our way back to the same spot where we were trading during the overnight. So you can see that the 20-day profile ends right here, right? We're at the higher part of the range. But then I turn on the 90-day profile, which has this high volume node at 60.85. If we're trading, if we accept above that level, we're gonna be trading inside value for this session, right? And here we had a 2-day balance range, which left some bullish imbalances, right? We had these targets that were never tested. We never got back to that. So I'm thinking that if we get back above that high volume node, that we're gonna travel through value area, through value from this day, and we're gonna get back above 6100 and attempt to test this 6112 and 6116 area. Now it could be that we just balance here. It's a strong possibility too, while we wait for some of the big earnings that are coming up. We have Netflix today. We have I think we have, what is it, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Abbott. We have a bunch of big earnings coming up, so could be that we just consolidate here a little bit and then waiting for those earnings. But the way this price action is, looks like very grindy to the upside, and given that we have all this bullish imbalances from not only from the overnight session, but from back here mid-December, I think we are likely to keep moving higher. Like, even if we pull back today, I'm gonna be looking for bounces, just because of how strong this market has been and how like we have all this, whoever was positioned here for shorts, if they're still hanging out to the position, they're gonna take any opportunity to get out of those positions. Also, we have the last couple of weeks of the month, and end of the month usually is bullish. So in order for me to be short, I have to see really strong order flow on the sell side, volatility picking up, and some shift, right? And the other reason that I would lean more short is if we get back below this low volume node right here, and if we accept below the 6,000 area, 6,004, then I will be more bearish, and then I would target this 59.88 20-day point of control and move lower. But until I don't see that, I think bounces, pullbacks are viable. And Q also tested this, on that move down, almost tested that 20-day point of control, but bounced ahead of it. And same thing, I'm looking for, structure is very similar, looking for higher. And then crude, there was also some Trump comments about energy, and we dropped below that support area. We are now trading in this area, and this is looking more balanced here, so I'm still looking for 74.40 to hold, and then if we hold above it, then I would look for a move up here back to value. If we lose that area, then 73.35 will be the target, the 20-day point of control, and then move back into this distribution. Holding this, so a move back from this area to this after this drop, it's gonna be not very easy. So we're gonna see some resistance here in this area and some minor resistance right here in the 75.80 area. So if we're able to get through this, then the target is back here at 77.35. Okay, gold. I gotta clean up this chart a little bit. So this was the area. The area in red was the resistance area, which is now being traded back and forth over and over again. So it's not very relevant right now, but you can see that it's trying to break higher to test this 27.76 area. So we left this right here, this low volume node. So this is now what I'll be looking at for support. You can see that we're in an uptrend, right? We have higher highs, higher lows. So I think that 27.76 is the next target to look for. And then if we lose the 2700, then 2680 and 2664 are the two targets below. All right, I think that's pretty much it. We only have some auctions at 11:30 and at 1 p.m. And then we have Trump speaking in the afternoon. Watch out for Trump's tweets or whatever he's using nowadays, comments, because he's very he's known for moving the markets when he speaks. So just be aware that we can get some volatility, especially the first few weeks of his mandate. All right, good luck everybody.